This video will provide an overview of the GPR Insights main interface. First, we have the top panel from which we can go back to the project list, check the name of this project, change the user preferences, and check whether this project has been saved to the cloud. Next, we have the toolbar, which has many useful features such as changing settings, switching to 3D view, showing or hiding one or more elements, exporting and sharing data, changing color map, or generating data analytics. The toolbar has a lot more options which will be covered at separate videos. On the left, we have the left panel, which has the measurements section, which holds a list of all the measurements included in this specific project. We have also the interpretation section, which has a list of all the interpretation items such as objects, tags, or markers, and the insights section, which has a list of all the maps generated through the analytics tool. In the middle, we have the data view window where the data visualization happens. Here, we can display GPR data such as slices and B-scans, but also other layers of information such as background images or DXF files. In the right panel, we have two tabs, the Position tab and the Process tab. From the Position tab, we can change the coordinate system, add a background image, filter the positioning data, perform topographic corrections, or import DXF files. In the Process tab, you will find the GPR data processing filters, but also the settings for controlling the slices.